Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into the latest news from Samsung regarding One UI 7 and its new beta and stable release strategy. If you are a Galaxy fan or just love tech update, you won't want to miss it. At the recent Samsung Developer Conference 2024, the tech giant revealed some major update about One UI 7. Samsung confirmed that a beta version will be rolling out for developer by the end of this year. But here is a catch, the stable version won't be available until early 2025, coinciding with the launch of the Galaxy S24 series. What's interesting here is Samsung seems to be adopting a release strategy similar to Apple's. Apple typically launches its beta builds in June, followed by a stable version in September. With their latest device, Samsung is now hinting at a similar timeline. During this conference, Samsung highlighted three core design elements for One UI 7: simplicity, sharpness, and emotionality. User experience with the impactful and emotive design changes. So what does this mean for you? While the developer beta is exciting, we are still left waiting for user access. Many are hopeful that Samsung will also release a public beta alongside the developer version. This would allow more users to test the new features before the stable release. Here is another things come with this update. Samsung has followed a significant pattern of releasing the beta and stable build of its latest One UI version, launching the beta version in early August while releasing the stable version in September-October. But as the One UI 7 beta is now here and is just confirmed to be available only for the developer, it seems like Samsung plan to adopt Apple iOS beta and stable launch master plan. Samsung could shift One UI 7 update to an iOS like beta and stable strategy. It is all begin with the S24, where Samsung officially announced that the next One UI 7 beta version is set to launch by the end of this year for developers. While the stable build will arrive with the new Galaxy S25 series on board, the strategy is more or less similar to what Apple follows with its iOS beta and stable release. Apple usually conducts an event where it's launched its new iOS beta and begins releasing developer beta or somewhere in June, which is then followed with the public beta a few weeks later. Meanwhile, the other devices run on either the older stable version or have the beta version if the user has enrolled, and then give the iOS stable version. Although Samsung is way too late to release the next Android 15 based on a One UI 7 version, as by this time the company is usually directed towards offering the stable version of its new One UI software. The company has announced to release the One UI 7 beta build by the end of this year for the developers, which will have limited seats. On other side, it also clarified that the stable Android 15 based on One UI 7 version will be released with the forthcoming Galaxy S25 lineup on board. Following Apple's footsteps, hence it's possible that Samsung may follow our Apple's iOS beta and stable releasing master plan for the One UI 7 version, providing beta builds to the current Galaxy devices and then releasing a stable software version with a new flagship series. When Samsung Galaxy fans, especially the Galaxy S24 series audience, were excitedly waiting for the next and most anticipated One UI 7 version, which is significantly got delayed due to the several unfinished issues and development. The company has made it official that the One UI 7 stable is prepared to launch with the upcoming Galaxy S25 series next year. Samsung announced One UI 7 beta, but a stable version is still a long way off. It is official news. Samsung is going to launch the stable version on its available developer before this year ends. As scheduled, the company has successfully conducted this year SDC24 proceedings in San Jose, California, unveiling the collaborate innovations with the most advanced techniques and providing a more personalized and secure experience with the latest multi-device AI technology. Samsung has done its SDC24 event and it just offered a sneak peek at the One UI 7 it is all about. It was announced that One UI 7 beta version will be released for developer by the end of this year. This suggests that the stable version of the update will be released sometime in early 2025. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 series is supposed to pivot, so it could be the first device to run One UI 7 out of the box. During the conference, Samsung confirmed that the One UI 7 will be focused on three: emotionality, new blur effect, and interface change are designed to generate a positive emotional response in users. Noticeable three core design elements for the One UI 7 are simple, impactful, and emotive. The simple stand to aim for proposal, simplicity across the UI, the impactful to the create a new signature impression for One UI 7. Are you excited for the One UI 7? What feature are you hoping to see? Let us know in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on Samsung and all your favorite tech news. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.